good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Flor May Sugitan Cadiz. Turning 24 next month. I am single. I have one brother and two sisters, and I am the eldest in the family. I currently live at Zone 4 Masipi West, Cabagan, Isabela. I am college graduate with degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education, and I'm also licensed professional teacher here in the Philippines.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
During my college days, sir, I've worked more than 4 years as helper in one family here in Kawayan, where I served 3 people, age of one elderly lady, age of 69 years old, and 2 children, age of 6 years old and 13 years old. My duties included ironing, cleaning, cooking, car washing, and taking care of the children. During my internship as a student teacher, I taught grade 1 pupils how to write their name, how to read, differentiate shapes, and also identify colors. In grade 2, I taught them how to add and subtract numbers. For grade 6 pupils, I taught them how to construct simple sentences in English and Filipino.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will make sure that they are safety and well cared for. If they are sick, I always make sure to check their temperature first. And if they continue to feel unwell, I immediately call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, patient, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide a better future for my family and also to become financially stable in the future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
My family, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I always focus on my work and always remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done and usually wake up around 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ah, ah, ah. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ah, ah, ah.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, patient, honest, and responsible person. I promise to finish my contract and serve you with all my best. Thank you.